Yeah, that's what I like. That's what I like. So zoom back, zoom back, zoom back. Good. So as you're installing Linux on that laptop, and on that laptop, time to install it here on this desktop. And yeah, for some reasons, there's that annoying blinking in here. Never thought this was a thing. I never know about it until today when I was recording, or when I'm recording this video. And yeah, today I'm installing Linux alongside Windows. I only gave it 70 gigabytes, and now I'm waiting for this boring loading screen to just finish copying the Linux installation thingy to my USB. And yeah, come on, be quick. I don't have all day. I believe it's done. Because I'm not really that patient, I will just skip. Yep, and I guess I'm ready to go. So let's do it. So the first thing I will do is basically restart. Okay, once I start, there is no going back. There is a chance that I will be able to install Linux alongside Windows 11, or I will need to delete everything after I fuck everything up. So let's find out. Let me turn off that thing, shut down, and see if that'll work. Yeah, shutting down. It shutting down. Okay, once it's shut down, I will need to, you guessed it, I will need to click on that button, then click on F9. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Go ahead, smash them. F9, 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 F9. Come on, come on. You're gonna do it. You're gonna do it. Come on. Come on. I'm like, yeah. Yeah, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, let's go. All right. What's next? HP? Yep, thank you. All right, so I will use this and... Oh, man, already? Please answer. Oh, secure boost. Oh, that's fine. That's fine, that's fine. Where can I... Third party system restore? Hey, who turned on secure boots on that thing? I don't remember doing that. Update system BIOS. Oh, there is a little problem. I need to go to the BIOS and disable secure boots, which is really annoying. All right, quits. Can I just continue? Go ahead. Turn off that thing. You're not booting. I'll just turn it off like that. No, turn off and then turn back on. Then F10. Okay, did it turn on? It did. Okay, F10, 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 F10. Please. Okay, boot to the BIOS menu. All right, thank you. Wondering how to turn off secure boots. I don't remember turning that thing on. I probably did, but I don't really remember. Okay, secure boots, legacy support, disable, secure boots, enable. Oh, secured. Okay. That's much better. Okay, that's much better. But the thing is, I need to make sure Windows still can boot before I do anything. Okay. Perfect. Is this gonna boot? It's booting, I think. Oh, okay. Request has been made to change the sig. Okay, so 9065. Oh, that's weird. Okay, that's funny, but like, yeah, go ahead. Can you boot? I hope it actually boots. Okay, it's booting. All right, so we're good, guys. We're good. I just need to restart one more time, and then I'll be able to install Linux. Pretty good. Okay, time to turn off that thing one more time. Do you like my wallpaper? Is this good? Yeah, BMW type shit. Okay, let's go reboot that thing and then I will get back to you guys. All right, F9 again. Please, this time I have no secure boots and I'm sure there is nothing bad this will happen. Right? Right? Come on. Oh my god, okay, that scares me, but it's fine. Is it gonna boot? It's gonna boot. It's gonna boot. Oh man. Selected boots image did not. Huh? What do you mean? What the hell is that? Why? That doesn't make sense. Did they do anything wrong? Sure. What is this? Okay, I'm kind of confused. I might need to Google that thing real quick because this is really annoying. What do you mean? Okay, so for some reasons, the legacy, support disable, and secure boot disable option that I selected previously didn't actually save. So really weird. I don't know the reason, but I will give it a try again and see if that will actually help. So it's on disable for sure. So F10. Then it will save, and this time it should work just fine. All right, please. Okay, it's gonna ask me to type a code, which is this one, 5225. Answer. Okay, we're good. Now can I click on F9 when booting again for the millionth time? Should be working. All right, now I will. All right, is this gonna work? Yes, let's go. It did work. Okay, what the next thing to do is do this. All right, click answer. It's doing something. And for some reasons, my camera doesn't want to focus. It's focusing. It's loading just fine. I'm so excited. Oh my God. I've been wanting to actually install Linux in this machine a long time ago. I did this before, but it's just, keeps getting lazy every time. But finally, I'm doing it. All right, it's loading. Pretty cool. What is going on? I don't really know, but it's doing something. Yep, we got a mouse. Yeah, bro. Yeah, that's cool. All right. What should I do? There is nothing for the moment. Something flashed in the corner in here. And please, 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 just anything, okay? Just do your job. Come on, load something. Am I gonna be left with a black screen? Am I cooked? I might be. Oh, okay. Guys, we did it. It says no internet connection fault. Maybe Wi-Fi not ready? Well, yeah, I don't really need to connect to any Wi-Fi. Oh, look at this. Oh, yeah. I love KDE Plasma. It looks so good. Can you please close this? Wow, that's wild. That's the same Linux that I have on this laptop. I'm used to this distro already, but I'm just surprised how good it looks. Okay, so I guess we just gonna install it? Yep, yeah, offline install. I wanna install it offline. How do I do that? Oh, start the installer. Okay, it's starting. All right, it's taking a bit of time, but that's fine. All right, so click on next, and the region doesn't matter. I can change all of that later on. Okay, system deboots. No, I'm not gonna use that one. Excuse me, I'm gonna use Group because in a video I watched, it says that it's more recommended to use that one. Don't ask me why, I don't know myself. I'm just doing what that video on YouTube says. So I guess I'm ready. Next, and then I will select replace a partition. Where is my partition? Well, not this one. This is what I'm gonna be using. So replace a partition. This is the partition I'll be using. It says 70 gigabytes, I guess. Is it this one? Yeah. Wait, how big is that partition again? It's 68. So that's the one. So in here, after it will be mostly Windows, right? Which one is Windows? I'm confused, man. Wait. Oh, I'm really confused. Holy moly. There should be something saying like Windows Bootloader or like Boots Manager, but it says nothing. It says just, is DB1? It's FAT32. This one is unknown. This one is 168. Okay, so this is Windows. It's not gonna be touched. And this one is Linux. Okay, pretty cool. I guess I'm ready. Okay. Let's just do it. Next, and then I need to enter my name and the password and the login and everything. Okay, pretty cool. So let me just do that real quick and get back to you guys. All right, guys, we're ready to go. So use the same password, and then we're just gonna click on next. All right, so this is what will happen. So the install, and we're gonna click on install. I'm so excited. Install. Yeah, install now. Perfect. It's doing it. I'm installing Linux. Let's go, bro. I've been waiting for this for so long. Oh my God, you cannot actually believe for how long I've been waiting for this month. And here I am installing Linux on my actual desktop. For some reasons, I find using Linux on the desktop a way more convenient way of using Linux. It's okay-ish on a laptop, but at the same time, it's better on a desktop for sure, with the mouse and the keyboard. I love using this keyboard, by the way. If you're asking, that's a compact keyboard. Made in the early 2000s. I also use this classic Logitech mouse. Of course, it's optical mouse, and it's really cool. Only it's a bit broken, but it does the job for now. But it's old. It's made somewhere around the early 2012, so it's kind of a classic now. This keyboard as well, really old. The screen made in 2012 as well. Everything in here I have is basically made in 2012. This laptop is made in 2012. This camera is made somewhere around 2017. It's not that old. But yeah, installing Linux. Pretty cool. Let's just wait for the things to get done, and then I'll get back to you guys and see if it's gonna work. Okay, so it says it's done. So I guess I'm ready to go. I just need to click on restart and then next. Oh, there is I think it's crashed or something. No? Oh, so the next button is not working on. That's stupid. Okay, done. Oh, that's scary. That's scary, but that's fine. That's fine. Completely fine. I have no problem. Just boot to Linux. That's all I want. Is this booting to Windows? Oh no. I think I'm cooked. Yeah. I think I'm cooked. Absolutely. Why? What about my Linux distro? What do you mean? I just installed Linux. You lost your damn mind? What? Where's the Giro bootloader? Like, I just installed Linux. Okay. Oh, that's fine. I know the solution for that. I've been dealing with that before. And they said this in one of my videos. As I installed Linux alongside Windows and they had the same exact problem. So let's see if this time it's gonna work by like just restarting. And maybe if it didn't work, we'll diagnose a bit further. So focus. No, it's not working. Yeah. Oh, okay. So to find out if the problem is with the Gear bootloader or with the operating system or the Linux distro itself, I will shut this down. Then I will turn on that thing once again. Let's just wait. Okay, something interesting in here. It appears as Endeavour. There is like the boot thingy for it, but it just for some reasons doesn't want to show up the the group menu. But that's fine. I will click enter and see if it's going to boot. If it boots, that means there's no problems with the Linux distro and it's just the bootloader. But if it doesn't, that means there's a problem with the Linux distro itself. So, wish me luck. Let's go. It does work. It does work. Okay. Boots into Linux. Amazing. Actually, I'm thinking about something. What if I keep it like that? So nobody will find out. If somebody like turned on my desktop, they will never find out to say I have Linux installed on that thing by just hiding completely the menu. Like I can fix that problem by just like, a little bit of tweaking in Windows 10 or Windows 11, sorry, and they will be able to make the menu show up once again, the group menu. I could just keep it like that. You know what? I will keep it like that. That's fine. So let me just enter my password and see how it looks like. Here we go. Yeah, the KDE loading thingy. Oh my god. Damn, I love it. Damn. Finally. Oh my god. Okay. You know what? I will do some tweaking here and there. Like I will change a couple stuff based on my mood. And then I will get back to you guys. I don't know. I'm not going to try to rise that hard. And I'm still going to just add a little bit of stuff and then see how it's going to look like. And yeah, this is the final result. It took me around 30 minutes. Not really that much. I had to install a couple stuff here and there. And also, I modified the terminal. I added some blur effect to it. It looks better now. And also moved this taskbar to the left. Looks better for me in here. And also, the icon pack I went with is this one over here. So, yep. Yeah, I went with the Fluent Dark icon pack with, what is this? Future Dark cursors as well. And there's a lot of stuff I'm looking forward to modify. I don't really like the window decoration for the moment. I'll try to change that in the future as well. And the color, I went with orange because it's my favorite color. And yeah, it's not looking really the best, but I'm really happy that I installed Linux on that thing. It's running the best, like super smooth. I cannot really explain how amazing is the experience with Linux. Like this is really cool. Look at this. If I did that on Windows 11, it was gonna crash for sure, give me a blue screen. It's super stupid. I don't like it anymore. That's why I decided to dual boot it with Windows because for sure there are going to be some stuff that are not available on Linux for the moment. So we just side load stuff and keep Windows as a side machine or a side operating system. So whenever I will need something that I won't find on Linux, I will just use it and switch back to Linux. And yeah, it's also a good chance for me to go deeper in the Linux world and learn more stuff about it because I love using my desktop. It just had Windows 11 on it, so I always avoided using it and I went to use my laptop. But this time I have Linux on it, so I will just enjoy my time with it. And yeah, this was really today's video. If you did like it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and also let me know your opinion about my desktop. I hope you like it. It's not really the best. It looks a bit ugly, but by time I'll try to change stuff here and there. And yeah, see you in the next one.